KCB oloyo Atlanta gonde ariyo kuom nono e tuke adhula lig maduong' e pacho kamano obagi alap ma Dandora. E lap ma Ulinzi Complex, Ulinzi Stars nowuok chien kendo chuna modhi mar gol achiel kuom achiel gi klab mar Murang'a Seal. Joe Waithere nomiyo Murang'a Seal gol margi e dakika mar 57 kapok jolweny loyo margi e dakika mar 70 kokalo kuom jatugo Boniface Mushiri. Ulinzi Stars omako thuolo mar 13 e chung' mar lig tok Murang'a Seal momako thuolo mar 12.
I think it was a good performance from the boys. We would have wanted to take maximum points, and I think all efforts that they've put today was to ensure that we get maximum points, but unfortunately we were not able to put away the chances that we created. So we'll walk away with a point, and I think looking at where the league is at the moment, it's a point that is going to be very, very valuable, within the next couple of weeks.
Ile game tulicheza na Kariobangi ilikuwa speed ilikuwa juu, ilikuwa so resilient, so kulikuwa kuna namna kufanya, na singetaka kufanya changes nyingi, lakini nimewashukuru kwa ile instruction ambayo kwamba niliwapatia, na ungeangalia pia kidogo tulijaribu kucheza despite kidogo kiwanja ndio kimetusumbua. Sasa philosophy yetu sisi ni kucheza, but kwa hakika nimewashukuru. Hiyo pointi moja kupata ni muhimu. Tulikuwa tunakuja kwa pointi 3, lakini hata hiyo moja tukipata kwa sasa unashukuru tu Mungu, unaongoja tu uko mbele.